Hi viewers, my name is Abhinambika Ravi Varman and I teach Sustainable Living for Children. Today I'm going to talk about kindness and children being the givers of kindness, and you'll be wondering what's so great about talking kindness to children, because how is it going to make a difference? Definitely, being in a society, being in a world where there are a lot of people, and living in a community itself needs that kind of kindness to be shared with children. And obviously, as parents or as grandparents or as uncles and aunts or friends, we do a lot of giving, as in we give a lot of love, we give a lot of gifts, we give a lot of things to a child. And children are mostly in a state where they receive kindness and they receive a lot of care. So what should we do at this particular age, in a toddler environment, or in a environment where the kids are between say 3 4 to about 12 years? What we do in our program is we should give them a journal where they'll chalk out what are the kindness acts that they did every day, and as they start doing this, it becomes a habit for them, and without even noting down, they will start following to be kind to others and being very empathetic. That's more important, because empathy is something which doesn't come over this thing, it comes after practice. Empathetic thought needs to come in the head of a child, and that can happen only when the child is really at a childhood per se. In fact, at this age where I said between 4 to probably 12, in this age, if you try and groom the child to be empathetic, to be kind towards people, then as an adult, when they grow, they become a very good citizen, they become such good integral part of the community as real humans, if I have to say. And very important thing here is, obviously, kids who are in this kindness mode, who are in a very caretaking mode, do become very successful as they grow into adults. Say for example, if somebody becomes a CEO of a company, obviously they need to care about every employee, they need to care about what's happening in their house, they need to pay that kind of attention to even create policies. All this comes not just as a silo in the society, but as a person who's been able to integrate things together. And this can be taught at a very young age without effort, because kids naturally are kind, they naturally they love to be with people, or they love to play, and that's the age when these thoughts have to be put on their head. And definitely you should make your child a giver of kindness, and groom them in such a way. Obviously, in our classes also we do the same thing. So do watch all our videos. I'm sure this video would have helped you to understand about kindness and why it's important to teach a child. There are a lot of other videos that I have done. Do have a look at them, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. Till then, goodbye.